This is Ellie, and she's going to do some sign language for us. Ellie, can you make the sign for hat? Good girl. Ellie, can you make the sign for milk? Good girl. Ellie, can you make the sign for baby?
Baby.
Good girl. Ellie, can you make the sign for airplane? Airplane. Good girl. Ellie, can you make the sign for car? Very good. Ellie, can you make the sign for juice?
Juice.
Can you make the sign? Good girl. Ellie, can you make the sign for flower? Ellie, can you make the sign for cracker?
Good.
Can you use your hands, baby? Cracker. Good girl. Ellie, can you make the sign for boat?
Book.
Good girl. Ellie, can you make the sign for bath? Bath, bath.
Papa.
Good girl. Ellie, can you make the sign for apple?
Apple.
Good girl. Ellie, can you make the sign for ball?
Ball.
Good girl. Ellie, can you make the sign for balloon?
Ball.
Good girl. Ellie, can you make the sign for papa?
Papa.
Daddy. Make the sign for daddy.
Daddy.
Good girl. Make the sign for mommy.
Mama.
Good girl. Ellie, can you make the sign for help? Good girl. Ellie, can you make the sign for diaper? Very good. Ellie, can you make the sign for buggy? Buggy. Good girl. Yeah, there was a buggy over there earlier. Ellie, can you make the sign for eat?
Eat.
Good girl. Ellie, can you make the sign for doggy? Doggy. Can you make the sign for cat?
Meow.
Okay. Can you make the sign? Okay. Can you make the sign for I love you?
Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.